In this video, I show you how to fix error 153 video player configuration error in Careerwill app. For fixing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Careerwill app, tap on Careerwill app, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now search YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search for Careerwill app. Up to date your Careerwill app from Play Store. Now open it. Now I hope that this method fix error 153 video player configuration error in Careerwill app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.